This is the ultimate guide to Nikola Tesla's divine code 3, 6, and 9. This method is a super powerful tool for manifesting your desires in the universe. Now, according to Tesla, understanding these numbers is like having a special key to unlock the secrets of the universe. Now, a long time ago, the astronomer Galileo said that math is like the language of nature. Now, Tesla thought that maybe the secret code of the universe could be found in the numbers 3, 6, and 9. He believed that if you truly understood how incredible these numbers are, you would hold the key to the universe. Tesla was so obsessed with the idea that he actually had some interesting habits. So before even going into a building, he would actually walk around it 3 times. And when he washed his dishes, he would sometimes use 18 napkins because 18 can be divided evenly each by 3, 6, and 9. He even chose hotel rooms that had a number divisible by 3. Now, Tesla wasn't just some crazy person who was obsessed with numbers. He actually believed in what Galileo said about math being the language of nature. He saw a connection between numbers and how the world works. It's all interconnected in the matrix of what we call reality. And in the end, when Tesla passed away in a hotel room, he actually passed away with the hotel room number 3327. Now, it's another interesting part of his story, but remember, Tesla's fascination with numbers wasn't exactly random. He understood that math is this special language that helps us understand the secrets of nature, as Galileo said. Now, Tesla's discoveries have not been forgotten. He invented things like the alternating current, the motor you may find in many machines, and the Tesla coil. He also laid the groundwork for other inventions like X-rays, neon lights, remote controls, radios, and hydroelectric power plants that use AC power. But what's really interesting is Tesla's idea of getting energy for free from invisible sources around us. Now, let's break down his ideas into 6 simple points and find out why he believed 3, 6, and 9 were the most powerful secrets in the universe. So, first, there's something called vortex math. Now, scientist Marco Rodin thinks that these numbers represent a special kind of energy flow or path from the 3rd to the 4th dimension. So imagine pouring water and noticing the shape it takes, the way it spirals down. That's what we call a vector, which is the shape of energy. In the 3rd dimension, these numbers, 3, 6, and 9, are like the vibrational frequencies that hold this energy spiral together. They're like the glue in our physical world. Now, Tesla believed that these numbers exist in the 4th dimension, also known as the quantum field. He saw them as representing the non-physical aspects of frequency, vibration, and energy that influences physical objects in the 3rd dimension. So Tesla loved these numbers because they symbolize the unseen forces that shape the physical world we live in, hence why they can be used for manifestation. Now, another reason why Tesla saw the divine codes of the universe in 3, 6, and 9 is because atoms themselves follow this pattern. So let's take a look at how atoms relate to these numbers. An atom is mostly empty space. Around 99.99% of it is empty. See the connection to the number 9? Now, moreover, about 99% of an atom is actually non-physical. Again, there is that connection to 9 in the non-physical field, but it appears as something solid or physical to us. Everything around us, everything that appears solid, is actually made up of atoms, and atoms are mostly non-physical form. Now imagine that energy spiral we talked about earlier. In the case of an atom, 99.9% of it is made up of this invisible energy. And as scientist Marco Rodin mentioned, 3, 6, and 9 represent an energy field that spans from the 3rd to 4th dimension. The majority of atoms and physical matter exist in this energy field beyond the confines of the 3rd dimension. It's clear that the number 9, along with 99%, signifies this quantum field. This is why Tesla emphasized the importance of thinking in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration to truly grasp the workings of the universe. Understanding these concepts allows us to unlock the secrets of the unseen world that shapes our physical reality. Now, another reason why Tesla believed in the power of 3, 6, and 9 is that time itself follows these codes. So let's break this down. First, we have 3 scientific terms for time: past, present, and future. Then, in a day, we have 24 hours. If we add 2 and 4 together, we get 6. Next, each hour consists of 60 minutes. When we add 6 and 0, we still get 6. And finally, within a minute, there are 60 seconds. Again, adding 6 and 0 gives us 6. So if you look at a clock, you'll notice a continuous cycle between the numbers 3 and 6, and then we have 12. And if we add 1 and 2 together, we get 3. These patterns in time reinforce Tesla's belief in the significance of 3, 6, and 9 in the fabric of the universe. Now, Tesla also believed that they form the basis of geometry. So how do these numbers actually relate to shapes? Well, if we consider circles, they have 360 degrees. And if we break that down, we have 3 and 6, which add up to 9. Now, triangles, if we sum up all of those angles, it adds up to 180. And when we break down 180 degrees, we get 1 plus 8 plus 0, which also equals 9. And when we talk about squares with their 360 degree corners, 3 plus 6 plus 0 once again equals 9. These examples show how 3, 6, and 9 are fundamental in the world of geometry, reinforcing Tesla's belief in their importance across various aspects of the universe. Now, the 5th reason is actually DNA, which is the genetic material of our bodies. It's made up of 3 chemical building blocks arranged in sequences of 3 within our genes. And when you add these 3 subunits of DNA, something interesting occurs. You get 6 and 9, and this pattern is actually embedded in our very own DNA. Now, additionally, the number 3 has significant historical and cultural importance. We see trinities everywhere, such as the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost in the Christian tradition. Tesla himself was captivated by trinities. He often emphasized the trifecta of energy, frequency, and vibration, which he believed held the key to understanding the entire universe. In fact, he even said, if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in forms of energy, frequency, and vibration. These 3 elements are like a holy trifecta to Tesla. Now, it's incredible to see how the number 3, along with the patterns of 6 and 9, appear in the core of our existence and our understanding of the universe. So how can you actually incorporate this divine code into your life? Well, here's a simple step-by-step guide. The first is to choose 3 affirmations that represent what you want to manifest in your life. So for example, it could be earning $10,000 a month, finding your soulmate, building a family, having perfect health and fitness, or getting a better job, or even owning your dream home. So write these affirmations down. The second step is to review your affirmations 6 times a day. Yes, 6 times a day. And there's a reason for it. Now, although you may not see physical results yet, these affirmations exist in the quantum field. Vortex math actually supports this idea. So by reviewing them, you are speaking them into existence. Spend 9 seconds on each affirmation during the review. Now, step number 3 is to not just read the words, but remember the trifecta of energy, frequency, and vibration. Enter the vibration of each affirmation with excitement. Feel the realness of it. Imagine them and speak them out loud as if you already have them. So feel the joy and fulfillment of making $10,000 per month or experiencing your dream life, and let that excitement flow through you. Now, the 4th step is to practice this technique for sets of 9 days. So repeat this process of reviewing the 3 affirmations 6 times a day for 9 seconds each. And you can tape the affirmations on your mirror, on your wall, in your car, or anywhere, just to make sure that you practice them. So stay committed to this practice for 9 days and observe what unfolds. Now, this technique is scientifically supported. Energy is never created nor destroyed, which means the things you desire already exist in the universe. The only barrier is accessing that energy in the quantum field or the fourth dimension. This technique provides a very quick and simple way to tap into that energy, and results can manifest within 9 days or possibly even sooner. So please help push this video out to more viewers that need this information just by giving this video a like and commenting your biggest takeaway down below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can further your spiritual and manifesting journey. So check out the next video on your screen for more tips on how to spiritually awaken and manifest the life you desire.